Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto, and today we're going to be making a strawberry jam. Guys, if you've been missing jam on a keto diet, I got you covered. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'll start off by saying this. Starting with great strawberries is going to make or break your recipe. So when you go to the grocery store, your battle starts there. Make sure you get some of the best strawberries available to you in your area. Alright, so let's start off by getting our strawberries prepared. We're going to go ahead and cut the ends off of them. So we'll be using around 8 to 10 of them. Large strawberries, but if some are small, you can probably get away with using a little bit more. But I'll have all the exact amounts in the description box below if you ever needed it. So let's go ahead and get the stems cut off our strawberries so we can get on to making our strawberry jam. So guys, actually, this is going to pair well with my keto peanut butter and jelly muffins. So that will drop the same time this video drops. So if you guys are looking for a jelly recipe, this is the one for you. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and use our blender to blend the strawberries down. So guys, this is what I'm about to show you is what's going to make the difference in this jam and all the other jams. So y'all know how I love Walden Farms. Listen, the strawberry syrup put this jelly or this jam on another level. Guys, do not skip this step. We're gonna use about 2 tablespoons of it. Alright, once we have everything blended down, we're going to get out a small saucepan. We're going to pour everything into the pan. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring this to a simmer. You don't want it boiling, you just want to bring it to a simmer. We're going to go ahead and add in our chia seeds. And we're going to let this thing simmer for about maybe 5 to 7 minutes. Let it thicken up a little bit. Alright guys, once everything's been simmering for around 5 to 7 minutes and it starts to thicken up, we're gonna let it cool down. We're gonna pour it in a mason jar. And guys, we got keto jam. Guys, this is the peanut butter and jelly muffin I was telling you guys about. This is absolutely delicious. Guys, you can also use this on my keto stuffed strawberry French toast. It goes well with that too. But anyhow, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please like the video if you like the recipe. Subscribe to my channel to support the channel and to get future updates. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.